In order to be more successful, let's make it a point to learn from successful people. The Extreme Sales Summit has lined up a team of outstanding speakers and leading sponsors who will help you to achieve your goals. Few have achieved more success than our winning keynote speaker, former Chicago Bears coach Mike Ditka. Coach Ditka is well qualified to help you develop a winning attitude and to become the champion you dream of being. Also joining us is sales expert Michael Lee, who will give us the keys to unlock the code when selling to multicultural markets that hold so many opportunities today. Don't wait to hear about this from your friends. Join me to experience the extremely successful Extreme Sales Summit in Chicago on September 17th and 18th. Don't wait. Seating is very limited, and we expect a sellout crowd. Go now to www.extremesalessummit2014.com. I'll see you there.